Okay, we're to the blog and we're just doing some stuff. I need to load something else. Okay. And, we need to set up a station, so that's. So welcome everyone. Enough respect to everyone who's been following my blog, and giving me a straight support. And kind of give me the energy to keep on pushing on the journey and the things that I'm trying to do, right? So I guess they are pretty about the platinum stuff, but that's just platinum. So welcome everyone. Enough respect to everyone. So okay, okay, we're gonna turn on this volume more. Okay. So a few things about the system. Okay, so we had the agent to put back some things. Now, okay, here. I talked. You see, we start over again. Every time we click something within the system, it starts over. So we gotta have that stable. This quad monitor actually is the same quad monitor, right? That we wanted like to have extra, right? Okay. This and this actually belongs here too. So we can automatically turn these into live, 4 live cams, right? Over these are connected to the editing board, right? And but he has this permanent set on these channel right here. You know what I mean? Like that. So if I had stuff here, right, which is coming from a live camera and stuff like that, it's coming in, and we could switch over to live cam. It's like a typical TV station, right? One thing I found, I'm like, whoa. So we'll have to use one track, right? But the art of editing then is that we have to go increase the fact that we can load, right? More than one track, right? Or we'll have to be able to target the same channel and scroll all the way down to the end, right? And mark that area and then load another piece of track there like a real editor, right? So then you have all of the program on the program track, right? And at the same time, we can load a bunch of commercial track then, right? That's a that's the thing. Cause if I switched over auto, right? It just switched it randomly. That's all, right? And it paused that one. So what happened is this. If I can move fast enough, you can see it, right? Okay. And auto, right? So okay. Another thing we looked at is the fact that the control is so far away, right? When the control is so far away, then we need to have the control in. I think, and we're gonna have to do a lot of things like, okay, we have to take this channel box thing right here, and it's in its own dialog, so we open it up and close it out when we need it, right? Okay. Then this control box right here, let me just square up the thing, you know what I mean? So you need to take these right here, especially this being something that we are using. This need to be the first thing on top. And then we'll come, I guess, from here to here again, but measure up to about right here, don't it? That need to be on the bottom. Or you can actually cut it into two. Yeah, cut it in two, right? That means from where the channel is right there, you take from there that section and put it above this section right here, along with the thing. So right now I'm actually doing a video right now. So I'm actually gonna cut it up and then let the agent see what I'm saying, how it should really be, right? And so we're gonna be just taking our image now, right? Okay, right. And this is okay still, like that. So the TV thing, like I said, we had said to you guys, the TV thing working, but it's still a little glitch. You know what I mean? Still a little glitch. And we can't assume what auto button work. I mean, I can do this. You know what I'm saying? And I can do this. Right? But the auto know the program. Right? So I was saying, wow, if you had more program channel, even though we have four screens, right? But we have more program channel. So we'll have, as I said, a channel that we call program channel. So those channel has program in it, like I said like this, you know what I mean? And what happened is that within that program channel, so may I say, if this is a strip right here, because we can't go down to the end, we need to scroll down to the end of this, and we scroll down to the end to see the end of the file, and where we can add another piece of file, another piece of file, and then we can save that as a program channel that automatically create a new channel in it. So it's not a channel that we are editing, it's that the fact that when you do that and you say save a program channel, it creates an extra strip in here and call it program channel 1, program channel 2. Then like we used to be using the auto, we actually have a timer system that sets up those programs for certain timeline, right? And when that program is done, okay, it actually switched over to the next program automatically, like when I'm doing the other thing. Commercials and all that stuff will be cut in. You know what I mean? It's cut in between the thing. And then I have the AI doing that. So that's a lot of stuff. Right? Let's go back to the programming. And okay. And we still have our title. But from the AI did the title, we don't see the title overlapping. So we should be able to put in the title and see the title even overlapping on what's going on here in the screen. And if we wanted to make a little, okay, the animation wasn't so much that this type of animation. It was like some little animated character that we could add. We can definitely add. But in the course of the TV studio should be almost still have the quality like a video editing studio. So you actually could put the animation stuff in there and create this animation background and go ahead and put title over it, right? So you can, okay, let me say, um, add that, right? So we are doing that, and if we're doing this, we having nothing going on, right? Because we are playing, huh? You see what I'm saying? See? So we need to incorporate the fact that when the video is playing up there, if we press play down here, it doesn't stop the transmission from playing. It actually play across. And that's why the whole thing, we still have to incorporate the fact that this is running. Once this is playing, this is running. And anything that goes into these slot will suddenly appear as an overlap onto this. You understand, you guys? That type of way. Okay, so this is my little demonstration. So we have all the Hollywood effects and stuff right here. I feel that these boxes are too big. I feel like the green screen control too. I feel that's also too big. So we'll definitely do some real designing and try to redesign the thing the right way. Okay, thanks for viewing the blog.